Hello, hello, hello. We're going to construct the three medians of a triangle. So to construct the three medians, a median is a line segment that goes from the midpoint of a side to the vertex of the opposite side. So here's a side. How do you find the midpoint? First, you have to do the three perpendicular bisectors. Did all that. This is a midpoint, and the vertex opposite that is right there. So I'm going to draw a line segment from the midpoint to A, to that point right there. Oh, it's a little off. Okay, that right there is a median. For this other side, the midpoint is right there. That's found by the perpendicular bisector. I'm going to draw a line segment from there to the opposite side. Sorry, opposite vertex. Right there. Come on. Does this work? Pen doesn't want to work. Zoop. Zoop. There we go. For this side right here, the midpoint is right there, and that's how to construct it by the perpendicular bisector. So that's a midpoint. Going to draw a line segment from the midpoint to the opposite vertex. There we go. Okay, these three medians, the three medians should meet at a point of concurrency right like that, and that point is called the centroid. Okay, the centroid, this whole distance, whatever that distance is, if that's 30 units, this short distance is going to be 1/3 of the entire distance. And the longer distance is from the centroid to the vertex. That's the longer distance. This distance is twice the shorter distance. So if that's 3 units, the entire thing is 3 times that. 3 units multiplied by 3, that'd be 9 units. That's 3, twice that is 6. If this was 2 units, if that's 2 units, that means that distance would be 4 units. And 2 times 3 is 6, that would be 6 units. If this entire distance is 60 feet, and that's a centroid, if that's 60 feet, what's this distance? 20 feet. That'd be 20 feet, and what's the distance between the centroid and there? 40 feet, okay? Again, over here, this is an obtuse triangle. How do you find the medians? So you have to construct the perpendicular bisector first. Here's the midpoint of this side, it's right there. You construct a line segment from there to the opposite vertex. That right there is going to be 1 median. For this side, the midpoint is right there. It's the midpoint of that side. Construct a line segment to the opposite vertex right there. Spluga. And then for this last side right here, the midpoint of that side is right there, obtained by constructing the perpendicular bisector. Here's your midpoint, draw a line segment to the opposite vertex. So, oops. So we got 3 medians. The 3 medians meet at a point of concurrency called the centroid. And that is going to be the short distance. That's 1/3 of the entire distance of that median. If that's 90 feet, this is going to be 30 feet. If this distance from here to here is 7 feet, that means this distance is 14 feet, and the entire distance is 21 feet. Okay. The 3 medians meet at a point of concurrency, and that point of concurrency is called the centroid. Okay, there you go, guys. Hasta la bye-bye.